Hello, my name is TJ Wells, product advocate here at Sigma. Today I'm going to walk through another one of my migration skills in my Sigma migration skills repo. The QuickSight dashboard I have here has some controls, has some KPIs, has some charts. We're going to run through the end-to-end migration live on this call. What I want to show you is we can simply pull up Claude Code here and we can migrate this QuickSight dashboard to Sigma just by pasting the link in here. It already has the plugin installed from my repo. This can be used with any coding agent, like I've said in previous calls. So Cortex Code, Cursor, any one of those coding agents can be used with. So it's going to pull up the established QuickSight to Sigma workflow, and it's going to start running the migration. So the way we connect is through the AWS CLI. So that's already connected here. So we've got live access confirmed, sales pipeline dashboard is reachable. The skill orchestrator is on disk. Let me read the runbook and check the Sigma side credentials before running. So the prerequisites are AWS CLI with the access to QuickSight. You can then extract the dashboard, and then it runs the full conversion into Sigma. So it asks me which folder I want to land it in. So I can say, let's just land in the QuickSight migrations folder. And then you can see here, the analysis is fully extractable, 1 sheet, 8 visuals. No existing data model matches by name. So this will build a fresh data model. And everything is staged to run the one command orchestrator. So we can see phases 1 to 6 completed cleanly and it gated at the parity collection step. The workbook is live. And then it just is going through the KPIs here, and it's going to add the controls as well. So when it's done, it runs through and does the actual parity check to make sure that the values match and that everything comes over smoothly. But what we can see side by side is we've got the sales pipeline dashboard migrated over, our KPIs match, our charts match, and we've got everything built out exactly how it is in QuickSight. So this is overall how the QuickSight migration skill works, and excited for folks to use this and get migrating over to Sigma.